Do you want to speak English like a natural person? Do you want to sound more confident and less like a robot? Today, I will show you exactly how to do that. I promise that by the end of this video, you will be able to tell the entire story of your day using simple, beautiful English that everyone can understand. You will not just learn words today, you will learn how to connect them. If you stay until the end, you will have a secret plan to think in English every single day. Let us begin. Many people only say, I wake up. But you are a better learner than that. Let us make it a story. Imagine a woman named Sarah. Sarah does not just wake up. She wakes up at 6 in the morning because she loves the quiet house. She brushes her teeth and she washes her face with cold water to feel fresh. Can you see the difference? One sentence is a list, the other is a life. When you talk about your morning, try to add one small detail about why you do something. For example, do not just say, I drink coffee. Instead, say, I drink a big cup of hot coffee because it helps me feel awake. Or, I eat an egg for breakfast because it gives me energy for my work. These small details make your English sound natural and very friendly. Let us look at another person. We will call him David. David is a student. David says, I eat bread. That is okay, but it is a bit boring. Let us help David. David can say, I eat bread with honey because it is sweet and I like sweet food in the morning. Now we know David better. We know what he likes. When you use the word because, you connect your actions to your heart. It is a very simple way to speak more English without using hard words. Let us practice a full routine together. Listen to me and repeat in your head. I wake up. I feel the sun on my face. I go to the kitchen. I make some tea. I drink the tea while I look out the window. This is beautiful English. It is simple. It is clear. It uses basic words, but it sounds like a real story. You are not a robot. You are a person who enjoys the morning. Now, it is time to leave the house. Do not just say, I go to work. That is too simple. Let us use better words and more details. You can say, I leave my house at 8 and I walk to the bus stop near the park. Or, I drive my car to the office, but I listen to music so I do not feel bored in traffic. Practice using linking words like then, after that, and later. These words are like glue. They hold your sentences together. Listen to this example, I leave my house. Then, I take the train. After that, I walk for 5 minutes to my school. See? It flows like a river. It is not like a grocery list. It is a real conversation. On your way to work or school, you see many things. You can talk about them to practice. You can say, the bus is very crowded today. There are many people. Or, I see a small dog in the street. The dog is very cute. When you talk about the world around you, you stop worrying about grammar. You start focusing on the story. This is how children learn. They look at things and they say what they see. Try to be like a child today. Be curious. How do you feel when you travel? Use your feelings to speak more. You can say, I like the train because I can read my book. Or, I do not like the bus because it is very loud. These are simple sentences. They help you have a long conversation with a friend. A friend wants to know your feelings. When you arrive at your job or your school, what do you do first? Maybe you check your emails. Maybe you say hello to your friends. Instead of saying, I work, try this, I sit at my desk and I write a list of my tasks. This shows that you are organized. If you are a student, do not just say, I study. You can say, I open my book and I learn 5 new words every morning. This is much more interesting for the person listening to you. Also, try to talk about your feelings. Are you busy? Are you happy? You can say, I am very busy today, but I am happy because my team is very kind. This makes you sound like a real person, not a textbook. Look around your office or your classroom. What do you see? My desk is white. There is a computer and a lamp. Now, add a detail. I like my lamp because it gives a warm light. Now, talk about the people. My teacher is tall and he speaks slowly. I like my teacher because I can understand him. When you describe your environment, you are building a bridge between your eyes and your mouth. You see it, and then you say it. Do you talk to people? Even a small hello is English practice. You can say, I talk to my friend Maria. We talk about the weather. Or, I ask my boss a question about the project. Use the word about to give more information. I talk about my day. I read about history. I think about my family. This small word about is very powerful. Lunch is not just about food, it is about people. Instead of saying, I eat lunch, tell me who you are with. I have lunch at 1 with my friends. We talk about our families and we laugh a lot. This is great because you are using English to share your life. If you eat alone, that is okay, too. You can say, I eat a sandwich in the park because I like to see the trees and feel the sun. Do you hear those words? Sandwich, park, trees, Sunday, they are simple words, but when you put them together, they create a beautiful picture. You are painting with words. What are you eating? Is it hot? Is it cold? Is it healthy? I am eating a salad today. It has tomatoes and cucumbers. It is very healthy. Or, I am eating pizza today. It is not healthy, but it is very delicious. Using words like, but helps you show 2 different ideas. The pizza is good, but it is not healthy. This is a perfect sentence for your level. After you eat lunch, what do you do? After I eat lunch, I take a short walk. Then, I check my phone for messages from my mother. This is a great time to use those linking words again. After, then, next. It makes your day feel like a movie. First, you eat. Next, you walk. Finally, you go back to work. You are the director of your English movie. In the afternoon, many people feel a little bit tired. That is normal. You can say, at 3 in the afternoon, I feel a little sleepy, so I drink some green tea. This is a great way to use the word so to explain what you do. I am tired, so I rest. I am hungry, so I eat. This is very logical English. Maybe you have a meeting or a group project in the afternoon. You can say, I meet with my classmates to talk about our homework. We help each other and it is very helpful. Using words like help each other shows that you are an advanced beginner. It shows you understand how people work together. It is not just about you. It is about the group. How do you finish your work? Do not just leave. Tell us about it. I finish my work at 5. I turn off my computer. I say
goodbye
to my friends. I feel tired, but I am happy because I did a good job today. This is a great way to end the work chapter of your day. It has a beginning, a middle, and an end. Just like a storybook. The sun is going down. It is time to go home. I take the bus back to my house. The city is very bright and beautiful at night. Use words like bright and beautiful. They make your English sound special. The sky is dark. The street is busy. My home is quiet. When you are at home, who is there? I cook dinner for my family. We eat rice and vegetables. Or, I live alone, so I make a simple soup. Talk about your evening routine. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Then, I sit on the sofa and I watch a movie. This is the most common way to speak English. Most people talk about their evening more than anything else. Practice these sentences until they are easy for you. Do you prepare for the next day? Before I go to sleep, I choose my clothes for tomorrow. I put my bag near the door. This is a great way to use the word before. I brush my teeth before I go to bed. I pray before I sleep. It shows the order of your life. It makes you sound very organized in English. You might ask, Natasha, how can I remember all of this? It is simple. Talk to yourself. Yes, really. When you are brushing your teeth, say it out loud, I am brushing my teeth. When you are walking to the bus, say, I am walking to the bus and the weather is nice today. If you do this every day, your brain will start to think in English. You will not need to translate from your first language anymore. You will just speak. And that is the true secret to mastery. It is not about hard grammar, it is about small steps every single day. Do not be afraid to say the same thing every day. I am making tea. Say it today. Say it tomorrow. Say it next week. One day, you will say it and you will not even think about it. It will be a part of you. That is what we call fluency. Fluency is not knowing every word in the dictionary. Fluency is knowing your own life in English. I want you to stop for a moment. Think about how much you learned today. You learned how to describe your morning, your travel, your work, your lunch, and your evening. You learned how to use because, so, but, and then. You are already a better speaker than you were 10 minutes ago. Believe in yourself. English is not a wall. English is a door. And you have the key. I am so proud of you for finishing this very long lesson. You are doing a great job on your English journey. Now, I have a small task for you to help you learn faster. 1. Go to the comments below and write one thing you do every single morning. For example, write, I drink water every morning. Remember, do not use contractions. Write I am or I do. I will read every comment. 2. Click the subscribe button and the bell icon right now. We upload simple, easy, and powerful videos every day on this channel. We want to help you become a confident English speaker. If you subscribe, you will never miss a lesson. I cannot wait to read your stories in the comments. You are a wonderful student. I will see you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful, beautiful day.